So, Doc, bilang isang fashionista, ano yung paborito mong designer brands?
I'm so sorry to tell her, but actually, I always wear my own design.
You design
Yes.
clothes rin.
Yes.
Nice.
For my personal use only. As Director Benny said, I am just a very low profile kind of person. Kung ano lang yung tingin ko na bagay ako, okay na ako doon.
So, can you tell me yung challenges na kinaharap mo bilang isang mom?
Well, challenges na kinaharap ko as being a mom, many to mention, but I just always count on my blessings. Yun lang po.
How about when, on your road sa pagiging doktora?
Well, my role, many times it's not really easy because not all patients, clients are really going to follow the procedure, but they want a perfect result. So, yan po yung isa na the reason why I really want to educate them first before doing my protocols, for them to instill in their mind that following the protocol is the very best way to attain the perfect result they want. Yeah, because some of the patients, they really want magic result eh. So one of my advocacies kasi is you lose 2 to 4 kilos in just a matter of 4 days. But you have to follow. Kasi if you don't follow, then everything will become useless. Yeah.
Pag hindi po kayo busy sa pagiging doktora, dyan sa pageants and your other, di ba, athletic ventures, ano po yung hobby nyo?
Number one is, kasi I don't have katulong in the house, so I take good care of my 3 beautiful daughters and 1 apo, and of course I'm planting plants, trees in my resort, and many more as a woman, as a mom, as a wife.